feast your eyes on the class of '87 Kdx200. This is the nicest one we've ever had. This one came into us with very low hours on it. Original engine still intact. No one ever had been in the engine. Had perfect compression. The piston rings looked good. The rims were nice and straight. But the plastics and graphics and everything in the frame was a little scratched. Paint was a little scratched up. So we said, why don't we just do a frame off comprehensive restoration on this bike? So we took it right down to the frame. This bike is nicer cosmetically than when it came out of the crate brand new. If you look closely at the frame, this is a fresh brand new powder coat on the frame, professionally done, and it's in the same metallic silver from the factory. It's just a much better finish than the factory enamel spray bomb paint job that they put on them. So it didn't look this nice the day it came out of the dealership. Completely dismantled it right to the frame. There's a 52-hour work order to do the restoration, starting with the frame. And then at the front of the bike, the forks were dismantled, cleaned, and rebuilt with new fork seals, new fork boots. The fork lowers were painted. The wheels were vapor blasted. The hubs were cleaned up. The brakes were rebuilt with new pads in the front, new brake fluid, a brand new Dunlop Sports D952 front tire and tube were mounted, brand new front fender, brand new Kawasaki Kdx200 headlight and number plate assembly with new graphics on it from Steiger Designs. When you buy a Japanese bike, what the first thing you do? You upgrade the handlebars. So we put Renthal handlebars on there with the new ODI grips with the Renthal crossbar pad, upgraded the tires front and rear to the Dunlop, top of the line Dunlops, and upgraded the chains and sprockets to the Renthal. Check this out. Green and gold go so good together. Check this out. It's got the beautiful green Renthal. You can see the emblem right there and the gold chain. Just a beautiful piece. We also upgraded the chain guide to our Fredette Racing products, brand new chain guide, new chain rollers, the original pegs, the original kickstand, the original shifter, all the original componentry is in mint condition, just repainted and refinished like brand new. I believe this is original seat cover. I'm not really sure. It does have brand new side number plates, brand new graphics, brand new fuel tank graphics from Steiger Designs, brand new rear fender with a new rear taillight. The taillight and headlight work beautifully. When you look closely, all the things that are normally beat up on a bike, like the steering stop on this, is not bent. This thing wasn't like smashed through the woods. And guys, we got to check out the frame rails, right? So hop around the other side there and I'll lean her over. This is probably the cleanest, not probably, this is the cleanest set of frame rails I've seen on an 87 Kdx200 ever. They're absolutely pristine. The black that's on there is just from putting it up on a stand, on the service stand. But the engine cases on this thing are absolutely perfect. The frame rails are perfect. The wheel sets are in excellent condition. Take a look at the swing arm too. There's not a single ding or dent on the swing arm on this side. Just remarkable, because in the eastern woods, they normally get hammered. And these are built to last. Kawasaki shipped these with Zerk fittings in the linkage. They don't do that on the new bikes because they want them to go bad after a few years and buy a new one. But check it out. The swing arm bushings have Zerk fittings. This thing was completely dismantled. Every bearing, every nut, every bolt, every screw on this bike has been off and carefully examined. The rear wheel bearings and the swing arm bearings are perfectly tight. The original shock is in good condition. Look at the condition of the shock guard, and the linkage protector is in mint condition. Original engine covers and cases are all in good condition. Just a spectacular, rare, super, super ultra rare Kdx200. Why are they rare? Because this is in between a 125 and a 250 is a small bore. And guess who owned these? Usually youngsters 15 to 25 years old who had nothing better to do but ride the wheels off of them. And when you put a headlight on it, now you can ride it at night too. So it's going to get ridden a lot more than just a dirt bike without headlights. Some kids would ride them on the street, put a plate on it, register it, and or just go commando and ride it. It's got a headlight. So to find one that this is truly a museum quality frame off restoration of this bike. Any components that needed replaced were done. It has a custom aluminum silencer on there that's been polished. I think it's an Answer Racing silencer. I'm not really sure, but you can see that's been polished. The original, check out the original pipe on this thing. Usually they're all smashed. This is original. It has the original Kawasaki, all the emblems on there. This original pipe has one little ding right here, a couple small dings in it. It's otherwise perfect condition. The original rims are in good condition. The Went through the whole fuel system. It's got a new air filter. The air box is perfect. It's got the car's been cleaned in the carb cleaning tank and rebuilt with new fuel lines, new carb drain lines, new gear lube. They resealed the intake track. It's a low hour original. Check it out. This is the original. This is the original Kawasaki shock sticker on here, which is just remarkable. So it gives you an idea. And look how clean the tank is on this. It gives you an idea of how nice this bike was to start with, you know. So if you're looking for a KDX, it has original rear brake pads on it still, and they're not even half worn. So, you know, every once in a while, you get one that deserves a frame off restoration. This one did, and it's ready to roll back into the New England Motorcycle Museum, where it will be on display on the 3rd floor with the other Cowies in a sea of green for a while till somebody buys it and wants to take it home. If you buy it and you want to leave it here, I'd love to have it on display. It's definitely a cool classic piece that strikes a chord with, I mean, you guys watching this, how many of you guys had one of these or had a friend that had one? It was just a super popular bike back in the day. If Kawasaki made these today, an air-cooled 200, 6-speed with lights that was affordable and durable, they'd sell boatloads of them. I don't know why the manufacturers don't do that. Make motorcycling affordable again. If they could sell a bike like this brand new for like $5 grand, it would open a whole new generation to riding. But if you have any questions about it, give us a call. We can ship it right to your door anywhere in the continental U.S. Roll on, roll off, shipping right to your door. We have 100% positive feedback on eBay after selling over 15,000 items on eBay and over 10,000 motorcycles. We're #1 in the world for gas, Buell, and Stark in electric bike sales for Stark. So for good reason. We'll treat you like family before, during, after. Thanks for watching. God bless America.